Even Online Service Private Limited. In case you have also joined this company for any handwriting, paper writing work, here they initially take some registration amount on the name of providing you a working kit. But even if you complete the work, again they will demand the money by saying that you have not fulfilled the term and condition. There are so many mistakes. Another company name, that is the Easy Job. They are also providing you data entry work, but if you are not able to complete the work, they will demand the money. Or even if you complete, they will say accuracy is not there, you have not fulfilled the term and condition, you have done a breach of contract, and for that legal action will be taken against you. Notice will be dispatched, you have to come to the court, against you FIR will going to be registered if you are not going to pay. So like this they will extort the money from you. So in case you also get into this trap where you have done or taken any work, but now they are demanding money on the name of breach of contract, legal intimation, Indian Contract Act, no need to worry. Our lawyer is going to help you so that you don't have to worry about getting any legal notice or going to any court or police station or facing any legal issue. From your home itself, just contact us, WhatsApp us, whatever problem, our lawyer is going to advise and help you on this.